Okay, so what I got here is a 1999 door on an 88 Comanche, and you can see the fit and finish here. It's pretty good. So you got two choices. You can either take the 88 door and then try to, get the window to fit, but this, I'm just using the 98 door, and the challenge here is the striker. So the circle here was where the original striker was, and I drilled some holes and put this striker in. I had to gain access to the back, so I did pull this panel off. Okay, so this here is the difference. This is where the striker would bolt on for a Cherokee, and this is where the striker would bolt on for a Comanche. Just a stud from the back side. And you can see this here. If you bend that up, you can pop this piece out, and that way you'll be able to drill your holes. And this is the piece that would be in for a Cherokee. And this is the outside edge, and this is the inside edge, and there's like a tab here. And so what I did is I reached around behind, I put a screwdriver in here and pried this tab up, and that way I could get this out. So I took this piece out, and then I just had this double plated steel, and then this is kind of from the front side. So next to it, I drilled a hole here. So this is what I got going. There's the original hole. You can see the bracket I kind of bent there. And I'll weld this hole up, and then those are my two holes next to it for my striker. Okay, I've got my striker here, and this is the original backing out of a Cherokee here. So you can see here I notched it a little bit for clearance, but that fits right in there on the back side, and this way I can bolt everything up, and I can adjust my striker around. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I just welded a washer in there. Seemed to work pretty good. And so I just re-drilled the holes, and I'm going to throw a little primer on it. And I'll slide this on the inside from the back. I don't have anything to keep it in place. It'll move around in there. So once I install it, I can't remove the latch or this will fall out, but it'll allow me to loosen the striker, and I can move the striker around and adjust it. And these holes are slightly ovaled, and when I drilled them anyway, they're pretty much dead on, because I drilled them according to how the door fit. So